Hello, in this video I'm going to solve problem 3 from this national exam. In the unit circle below, the angle A is marked where A is equal to 70 degrees. Find two other angles, nu1 and nu2, in the interval 0 degrees less than or equal to nu less than or equal to 720 degrees, which have the same cosine value as angle A. That would be a good idea if you give it a try yourself first. Okay, now if you want to solve this problem, we know that cosine of an angle, so if I have this angle A, if I ask you what is cosine of A, which of course here is cosine of 70 degrees, it becomes equal to the x-coordinate of this point. So now we know that this point on the unit circle has two coordinates x and y. The x-coordinate is exactly the cosine of 70 degrees. Okay, if I want to find other angles in this interval for which cosine of those angles is exactly cosine of 70 degrees, it means that I have to look for points on the unit circle so that either they end up here, which of course they have the same x-coordinate, or they end up somewhere that the x-coordinates are the same. For example, immediately you can see that one option is exactly the mirror image of this point with respect to the x-axis, because this point has coordinates x and minus y. And if I connect it here, then this angle is one of those angles whose cosine is equal to cosine of 70 degrees, because the endpoints corresponding to these angles have the same x-coordinate. Of course, you can say that this angle is also acceptable. I agree. This angle is minus 70 degrees, okay? But minus 70 degrees is not in this interval, okay? So one possible answer is to find the mirror image of this point with respect to the x-axis, and then I know that this is x and minus y. I connect it to the origin for the same reason I described for you. I need to calculate this angle. But this angle is how much less than 360 degrees? This angle is 70 degrees from size points of view. The full circle is 360 degrees. So this angle is 360 degrees minus 70 degrees. Okay, so one possible answer that I can say nu1 is 360 degrees minus 70 degrees. And if you calculate this, it becomes 290 degrees. So one possible answer that we can write here for the first one is 290 degrees. Okay, of course we can find other ones. If I go one full round from here, I am adding 360 degrees to 70, but still I am in the given interval. So that is also the other answer. For example, it becomes 70 degrees plus 360 degrees. And the answer becomes 430 degrees. Okay, so that is also one possible answer, and then the problem is actually solved. Okay, but is there any other answer? Of course, this is done, but just out of curiosity, is there any other answer within this interval with that property? The answer is still yes, because now I can start from here and then go one full round from here. I think still we are within this interval. Let us check. What was the first angle? The first angle was 290 degrees now. I add 360 degrees to it. So it becomes 650. 650 is still within the range. So out of these three angles, you can choose two of them on your choice and write them here and there. I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.